The turkey is a large bird native to North America, known for its distinctive appearance, loud gobble, and cultural significance, particularly in the United States and Canada, where it is a central feature of Thanksgiving and Christmas feasts. Belonging to the Meleagris genus, there are two species of turkeys, the wild turkey, Meleagris gallopavo, which is native to North America, and the arcellated turkey, Meleagris ocellata, found in the Yucatan Peninsula. Turkeys are large birds with a robust body, long legs, and a broad tail. Male turkeys, known as toms or gobblers, are typically larger than females, hens. Wild turkeys can weigh between 11 to 24 pounds, 5 to 11 kilograms, with domesticated turkeys bred for consumption often being much larger. Toms have iridescent feathers that shimmer in colors like bronze, gold, and green. These feathers play a role in courtship displays. One of the most distinctive features of turkeys is the snood, a fleshy protuberance that hangs over the beak, and the wattle, the fleshy part that dangles from the neck. Both the snood and wattle can change color, turning red or blue depending on the bird's mood, especially during mating season when males are trying to impress females. Turkeys have a fan-shaped tail that they can spread out, particularly during mating displays, and a set of spurs on their legs that toms use in fights with other males. The head and neck of the turkey are largely featherless, covered instead with blue or red skin. Turkeys are highly social birds that live in flocks, particularly during the fall and winter months. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, with the most well-known being the gobble of the male turkey, which can be heard over a mile away in the wild. This gobbling serves as a way to attract females and ward off rival males. Turkeys are ground-dwelling birds, spending much of their time foraging for food like seeds, berries, insects, and small amphibians. Despite their size, wild turkeys are strong flyers, capable of short bursts of flight to evade predators or reach roosting sites in trees. They typically roost in trees at night to avoid ground predators like foxes, coyotes, and bobcats. Wild turkeys are native to North America and are found in a variety of habitats, including woodlands, grasslands, and swamps. They are particularly abundant in the eastern United States, where their populations have rebounded after near extinction due to overhunting and habitat destruction in the early 20th century. Conservation efforts, including hunting regulations and habitat restoration, have allowed turkey populations to thrive once again. The arcellated turkey, the lesser-known cousin of the wild turkey, is found in the forests of Mexico, Guatemala, and Belize. It is smaller and more colorful than the wild turkey, with striking blue and green plumage and eye-like spots, ocelli, on its tail feathers. Turkey breeding season typically occurs in spring, when males display their feathers, fan their tails, and perform a strutting behavior accompanied by gobbling and drumming sounds. The snood and wattle of the male also become engorged and brightly colored during this time. Males compete for the attention of females by displaying their size and strength. Once a hen selects a mate, she will lay 8 to 15 eggs in a shallow ground nest, usually hidden under vegetation. The hen incubates the eggs for about 28 days before they hatch. Poults, young turkeys, are precocial, meaning they can walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching, but they remain under the mother's protection for several weeks. Turkeys are omnivores, with a diet that includes a wide variety of plant and animal matter. They forage on the ground, eating acorns, nuts, berries, grains, and insects. Their diet changes with the seasons, focusing more on plant matter in the fall and winter, and on insects and small animals during the spring and summer when they are more abundant. In agricultural areas, turkeys are known to feed on crops like corn and soybeans, which sometimes brings them into conflict with farmers. However, they also play an important role in controlling insect populations. Turkeys hold a special place in North American culture, especially in the United States, where they are a symbol of Thanksgiving. The bird was originally domesticated by indigenous peoples in Mexico, and early European settlers quickly adopted it as a staple of their diet. By the mid-1800s, turkey had become the centerpiece of the traditional Thanksgiving meal, symbolizing abundance and gratitude. In addition to their role in modern culture, turkeys also appear in Native American mythology and traditions. Many Native American tribes revered the turkey for its significance as a source of food and feathers. The bird was seen as a symbol of fertility and harvest. While wild turkey populations are now thriving due to successful conservation efforts, domesticated turkeys have been bred for their size and meat production. Most commercial turkeys are selectively bred to grow quickly and develop larger breasts, which makes them less capable of flight and more dependent on human care. Despite this, there is growing interest in heritage turkey breeds, which are more closely related to wild turkeys and have not undergone the same levels of selective breeding. These heritage breeds are often raised on farms that focus on sustainable agriculture and animal welfare. The turkey is an iconic bird that has played a significant role in both natural ecosystems and human culture. Its impressive physical features, unique behaviors, and rich history make it a bird worth admiring. Whether spotted in the wild, on farms, or as part of a holiday feast, the turkey remains an enduring symbol of the American landscape and tradition.